Good evening. I am YouTube's next internet sensation. Tonight's topic, I'm going to be interviewing objects on my desk. First object up is the stapler. Let's bring him in here and have a word with him, shall we? Hey, Mr. Stapler, what's it like being on the desk?
Oi, I'm a stapler. First name Swing, last name Lawn.
Gee, Stapler, that's very interesting to hear. How did you get on my desk?
You fucking retard, you put me on there, you dumb fuck. You're so goddamn dumb.
Whoa, I had no idea you were such an angry stapler.
Yeah? We'll see what it's like being stuck on a desk all fucking day. I'd like to go out and chase some tail, but there's never any around here.
What do you mean there's, like, paper and stuff on the desk?
Yeah. But they're all too fucking thin. And they fucking suck.
You know what, Stapler? You're fucking ridiculous. I'm gonna put you back in the drawer.
Alright, you fucking faggot.
Fine. The end.